In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a free website with Netlify. By the end, you'll have a live site online using one of Netlify's starter templates with no coding required to get started. First, open your favorite web browser and go to netlify.com. Give the homepage a second to load so you can see the navigation clearly. Netlify is a hosting platform that automates builds and deployments, so once we pick a template, it will handle the heavy lifting for us. If you're already familiar with web platforms, this process will feel refreshingly quick. Once you're on the site, look toward the top right of the page and open the Add New Project dropdown. This is where you begin anything new on Netlify. The dropdown keeps your options in one place so you don't have to hunt through menus. If you're already inside a dashboard view, this control will still appear in the same top right area, making it easy to find no matter where you are. From that dropdown, click Start from a Template. Templates are pre-configured starter sites that include all the essential files and build settings, so you can deploy immediately. Choosing this option skips the complexity of wiring everything together yourself and gives you a clean working foundation. It's perfect for landing pages, simple portfolios, documentation sites, and trying out popular frameworks without setup headaches. Now you'll see a gallery of templates. Take a moment to browse and pick one that matches your goal. Pay attention to the framework listed, the design style, and any notes about features. Many templates include a short description that explains what you're getting, such as a static site or a starter blog. When you've found the one you want, select it and click Use Template. That single click tells Netlify to copy the starter project and prepare it for deployment on your account. After you confirm, Netlify will spin up the project and begin building it in the background. You'll see a brief progress indicator, and then, in just a moment, your new site will be live with a public URL you can share. Netlify typically assigns a temporary, memorable name automatically, which you can customize later if you want. The best part is that the template comes with sensible defaults, so you don't have to tweak build commands or environment settings to see results. And that's all it takes. You went to netlify.com, opened the Add New Project dropdown, started from a template, then selected one and clicked Use Template. Your free website is now online and ready to explore. Thanks for watching and enjoy launching your site with Netlify.